Well, hi everybody. Good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. Cold front sagging south into the area this morning, driving in some chillier temperatures in the mid and upper teens, lower 20s this morning. But the truly cold Arctic air has lagged behind this front just a bit, and it remains off to our northeast. It's bitterly cold in parts of the Dakotas and Minnesota today or this morning, where it's below zero in some places, the teens below zero. We're not that cold. Few clouds up towards the north. That front kind of stalls out in the area today, so that'll keep the really cold air at bay off to our northeast, and some warmer air will be off to our southwest today. Everybody warms up today, but how much? That's kind of the big question, because there is going to be a wide range in temperatures today. Most of us seeing a lot of sun most of the day. A few clouds later on, especially favoring areas to the southwest and also to the north of the Tri-Cities. We'll see more clouds come in tonight. It's going to become mostly cloudy for a time. Also, it's going to be a little breezy later this afternoon, this evening. Not too bad, but a little breezy. That trough comes through, and ahead of that trough, mostly cloudy skies, but then behind it, we sweep out the clouds, winds turn westerly, and then that's when temperatures drop. Temperatures will actually, I'm going to go back a little bit, temperatures will actually rise through about midnight or so, and then once that trough comes through and the clouds clear out, that's when temperatures will start to drop off early tomorrow morning. So southeastern Nebraska may actually see temperatures stay in the 30s during the overnight hours. Now heading into the day tomorrow, warmer temperatures, because any frontal boundaries are well to our northeast, so we all warm up tomorrow. Lots of sun in the morning, then becoming partly to mostly cloudy later in the day. Winds won't be terribly strong, but again, like I said, the key word, we're warming up tomorrow with even warmer temperatures for many of us, not all of us, but many of us on Friday, ahead of some chillier air coming in for the weekend. So highs today, a wide range, upper 20s to near 30 in the northeast, upper 30s to near 40 around the Tri-Cities, upper 40s and lower 50s off towards the southwest. Tonight then we'll drop back into the 20s, but maybe hanging on to some 30s off to the southeast with those clouds sticking around through the late night hours. And then tomorrow, warmer air for everybody. Everybody above average with 40s and even some lower 50s off towards the southwest. Friday, the southern half of the viewing area warms up a little bit more. We'll see lower to mid 50s. Seeing that cold front come through low in the afternoon, temperatures will be a little chillier up towards the north. Still 40s, not bad, but maybe even dropping temperatures later in the day. We'll even see some showers out in western Nebraska by the afternoon hour. So I'll go in here and I'll actually circle those areas where I think there's at least a slight chance of rain. Kind of these areas right here have a slight chance of rain Friday afternoon. That chance will move through the area Friday night into very early Saturday morning, mostly Friday evening. That chance of rain, and then changing to snow as it gets colder, because temperatures will plunge Friday night behind that cold front. It's going to get colder. So the next 3 days looking pretty good. Here comes that chance of rain, changing to snow Friday evening and a very early Saturday. Now during the day, Saturday we'll see dry conditions, maybe some light snow way out west. Places like North Platte, Imperial, McCook have a chance of some light snow Saturday afternoon. We'll see that chance come in more so Saturday night. Probably in the Tri-Cities not until after midnight. There are still some question marks with the timing of the snow coming in for the second half of the weekend into early next weekend. In fact, some models actually have it coming through as 2 rounds of light snow. One of those Saturday night into Sunday, and the next one Sunday night into Monday, with a little bit of a break between. Not much, but maybe a little bit of a break here. Both of them favor southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. The Canadian forecast models I talked about yesterday is still the most aggressive model, bringing in the chance of more accumulating snowfall. The other models are a little bit lighter and would be fairly minor snow amounts here. Probably the best chance coming in during the late night hours of Sunday night after midnight into very early Monday morning here now. And you'll notice, if you've seen, you may have seen a change since yesterday to push back that ending of the snowfall now into the daytime hours of your Monday, so we might see the snow continue to very early next week. It will be chilly this weekend with only slightly warmer temperatures now for early next week. It looks like we may struggle a little bit to rebound temperature-wise into early next week. Now the sunshine does return as that system exits out of here on Tuesday, so lots of sun, but still lower 30s. We might get a little bit warmer if we don't get much snow out of the system. We could get maybe mid to upper 30s here. We'll warm up a little bit towards the middle and end of next week. Not a lot, but maybe a little closer to average. We'll see, though. There still are some question marks with how much we do end up warming up as we get towards the 18th, 19th, 20th of the month here. Models are hinting at maybe a little bit more of a warm-up just prior to Christmas, around the 23rd. And 24th, and then sometime either around or shortly after Christmas, we might see more of an Arctic blast, but that's pretty far out yet, and so knowing if that's going to happen for sure, that's still kind of iffy right now, but that's a long ways out yet. So you'll notice, though, certainly the trend of warming temperatures over the next 3 days, and then the drop in temperatures back below average over the weekend and early next week. So there you go. There is your forecast on this Wednesday morning. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you all have a good Wednesday. Enjoy the sunshine. Enjoy the slightly warmer temperatures for today. And we'll see you all again on your Thursday. Take care and God bless. Bye.